Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihana's Kitchen Corner. Today's video I am going to share sheet pan Kofte Kababs and Potatoes with Tahini Yogurt sauce. It is one of the easiest dinner you can make it. It comes together easily and is so good. It's very delicious and easy to prepare. I'm sure you're going to love it. For this recipe, I'm using minced beef 2 pounds, onion 1 finely chopped, coriander and mint leaves, breadcrumbs 1/4 cup, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, onion powder 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda 1/4 teaspoon, paprika powder 1 tablespoon, salt to your taste, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Mix it well until everything combined together. To get more flavor from the kofta, you can even prepare the mixture a day ahead and place it in the fridge until it's ready to bake. Baby potatoes washed and cleaned and then cut it into half. Tomato paste 1 tablespoon, water 1/4 cup or adjust. Olive oil 2 tablespoon, pepper powder 1/2 teaspoon, salt to your taste. Whisk it well and set aside. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the tomato pepper paste we made and mix it well with the potatoes and make sure it coats very well. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and you can drizzle some olive oil. For the crispiest potato, you can brush the baking sheet with some olive oil. That's the tip. And then place the potatoes and bake 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. The potatoes are baking. You can shape into oval-shaped koftas and set aside. After 20 minutes of baking, you can remove the baking sheet from the oven and add the koftas among the potatoes in an even layer. You can even add some cherry tomatoes and sliced capsicums. You can brush the koftas and the potatoes with the tomato mixture which we prepared before. You can bake it in the oven for another 30 minutes in 400 Fahrenheit until the koftas are golden and cooked through. Let's make the tahini yogurt sauce. Add 1 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of tahini, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tahini sauce, salt to your taste, chili flakes half teaspoon, pepper powder half teaspoon, and cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon, and olive oil 1 tablespoon, and you can add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and whisk it well until it's smooth. We need to add 2 tablespoons of cream, heavy cream also, and whisk it well. Spoon the yogurt tahini sauce onto the serving platter. Once the koftas are fully cooked and the potatoes have softened and are golden brown and crispy, then carefully remove from the oven and allow to cool slightly. You can top with the roasted potatoes and koftas on top, and then finally you can garnish with some pine nuts and parsley if you want. You can serve this immediately, and this is a great dish served with a simple cucumber and tomato salad, and it would be great with rice too. I hope you will try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.